Alright guys, welcome to another video. So I got reinforcements because for the front rotors I didn't really need much help, but for the rear ones, to actually show you how to replace them, I got my little niece and nephew just helping me. I already did this one. I already put the rotors on that one, new brake pads, ceramic pads. So now I'm about to do the other one, and these little two guys are gonna be helping me with the video. Say something, dude.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, hold it right here, man.
Okay.
Just point right there. So guys, first we just gotta get the bolts out. Okay, just jacked up your car, get the bolts out. Dude, just keep recording there. We just gotta get the wheel out first. And for this, we don't need the same tools that we use to replace the front ones. Just keep recording that.
Okay.
What we need is a C-clamp. Can you record this?
Yeah.
Can you see it? We just need a C-clamp, one of these things, 15 millimeter, what is this thing called? Whatever it's called, guys.
A wrench.
A wrench. A 50 millimeter wrench and a 30 millimeter wrench. So for this one right here, record this one right here. This, where my finger is. Okay, for this one right here, just get close. Get close. Right there, dude. Okay. This one right here, you have one bolt right here behind, which is a 30 millimeter.
Daddy got a new phone.
But the other one is a 13, so we're gonna have to use them together to get this little bolt out. Be careful. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. Yes, just this way. Hold on, dude. Just keep recording though.
Okay.
I gotta go back.
Stop! Stop! You're gonna edit that out, right?
Pause it, Giovanna. Pause it, cause. Okay, so I got two kids here, so they gotta be fighting. So we just gotta use these two. Remember, it's a 15 and a 13. What is it called, there, bro?
Wrench.
A wrench. Yes, that's what it's called. So we have one at the top and one at the bottom. So we just gotta get these two out first. So we're gonna pause this one. I'm gonna get it out, and then I'm just gonna show you the one at the bottom. Pause it, bro. Okay, we already took the one from the top. Now this is the other one. Remember, the 15 goes in just to hold the little nut that is there, and then the 13 is the one that goes outside. We gotta get this out. Dude.
It sounds like it's gonna take a long time.
No, it's not gonna take a long time. Okay, so you already know about the one from the top. Now we just gotta get this one out, and then I'll show you the rest. Pause it, bro. Okay, guys, so once you take those two bolts out, now we're just gonna get this one out. These are your brake pads. You don't really have to take this out, because we still gonna need it there. So let me just get the other thing. Let me go get the rotor, man. Just stay there.
Okay.
Just stay there, dude. Stay there, dude.
Whoa. Nothing moves. How did this
I trust you, brother, but you a little mess.
Huh?
You know you're a mess, right? Okay.
That's a new one?
That's a new one, dude. Okay, that one goes there. And now we're just gonna work on this thing. So that's what I'm telling you, that we don't really have to take this out, because here you can just put your brake pads in. Oh, no. Come on, dude, we're messing up. Hold on. record this right here?
Mm-hmm.
So actually this rotor is missing the little bolt. Nah, dude, we're gonna have to take it out, man. Oh, shoot. See? We're messing up, bro. We're messing up. Oh, no, not really. Let's hope, man. Rotor goes out.
New one.
New one goes in. Yeah, dude. You see?
Yeah.
Actually, to replace the rotor, guys, there has to be a little hole here where you put a little bolt. But like I told you, I'm just working on this car. I never really mess with it.
I think I found them.
Oh, it's right here, dude. It's at the top. It's right there. So if you guys have the little bolt, the only thing you gotta do is just take it out. Now just leave this here. Now we're gonna need what is called a C-clamp, just to be able to compress the piston right here. This piston has to go all the way back. So with this, you're gonna compress the piston, and then you're gonna turn it with this tool right here. Pause it. Then right now. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, so this is the way that you gotta put the C-clamp. You gotta compress the piston, and you have to turn it, not at the same time, but you gotta do it, you know, like first compress the clamp all the way, grab your tools, and just turn the piston. That way the piston is gonna go all the way back. You don't have to, if you do it like this, you're not gonna have to bleed your brakes. You're not gonna have to do anything but just to replace your brake pads. So keep twisting it. I mean, squeeze this all the way. And then just keep turning until you can no more. See, it's gonna start doing it like that, so just keep pressing it. You have to do this, you know, a lot of times, you know, to actually get the piston back. The rear ones are not as easy as the front ones. I hope with this, you know, you get the idea on how to do it. This is pretty simple. Possible. Pretty much right here, the piston is all the way back. Now just put your the brake pads. Okay, that's one. There's two here. And now just put your caliper. Hope it's gonna fit. Yeah, dude. Oh man. Oh, come on. Okay, so just align the holes. Remember that you took 2 bolts out. So now we're gonna put them in. You recording this, dude?
Yes.
Let's put that one in. Put the bottom one. Hold on, dude. Just stand up. Okay. Just come on this side so they can see this. Right here. This part right here. Okay. So now remember, 15 goes in and 13 millimeters out. Just put these 2 back. This is so much easier, guys. With help, I can show you, you know, everything. Now the top one. Now this part right here, dude. Just make sure you get a good shot of this right here. Okay. So we're just gonna put this back, and after putting these two bolts back, that's pretty much it. You don't really have to do anything else. I already did the one on the other side, so I just needed to show you this one right here. See, for brake pads and rotors on my area, it's $200, you know, to replace the brake pads and the rotors. So $200 I can buy a jack. So the stands, you know, to put the car when I put replacing a tire or whatever, just working on the car. So this is pretty much everything we gotta do for the
video.
Yeah, for the brake pads. You want to finish the video? Just tell them, you know, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you can subscribe to the channel. Say it. Come on, dude. Say something, bro.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.
And like the video and press the bell so you can never miss a new video.
Oh my God, that was awesome, man. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video.